Hello everyone. In this class, I'll be explaining how to check a number is a Armstrong number or not. Okay. What do you mean by Armstrong number? So in my other two videos, I explained in one video, I explained how to find the sum of digits of a number. And the other video, I explained how to find sum of cubes of digits of a number. Okay. So these two videos will helpful to check the given number is a Armstrong number or not. Please just solve these two programs first. Okay. Now I'll explain you what do you mean by Armstrong number. Okay. So the Armstrong number is if the sum of cubes of digits of a number is equals to the original number, then it's called an Armstrong number. Okay. So which means, for example, if I take 153, if I calculate 1 into 1 into 1 plus 5 into 5 into 5 plus 3 into 3 into 3. So the output is again 153. This is called Armstrong number. Okay. So Armstrong number means if sum of cubes of digits of a given number is equals to the original number. That is called Armstrong number. Okay. One more example. 370. We will get, if I find sum of cubes of digits of a number, right? We'll get a 370 again. 371 also a Armstrong number. 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 1 cube, if we find out, again we will get a 371. So that is the meaning of Armstrong number. So if sum of cubes of digits of a given number is equals to the original number, that is called Armstrong number. Okay. So we have already a program to find sum of cubes of digits of a given number, right? So the same program will use just with one more extra step. So let's take in n equals to 153, and I want to find out sum of cubes of digits, right? Let's take sum equal to 0, and r just for store remainder value, just r1 variable, and while n greater than 0, we already discussed in the other video to find out sum of digits of a given. That's the first step we have to do, right? After finding sum of cubes of digits of a given number, just we will compare that sum with my original number. If both are equal, I will tell that is a Armstrong number. Otherwise, not a Armstrong number. Correct? So in the first step, we have to find a remainder value, right? The modulus operator. That is my number. Modulus, then that gives me the remainder. Then find out a sum of cubes of a digits, right? For that, sum equal to sum plus, so a remainder into remainder into remainder. Then n equal to find a coefficient, right? Division operator. Done. Here I have this program we all discussed, sum of cubes of digits. I can print the result here. Okay, now to check my number is Armstrong number or not, my sum of cubes of digits of my number is stored in a sum variable. Now I have to compare my number with my sum variable, right? So if my number is double equals to sum, I can tell braces are not, the curly braces not required after if condition, because I have only one print statement, so no need of curly braces. So it's a Armstrong number. Else not Armstrong number. Correct? Yeah. This is the actual logic. Okay, everything is fine, but this program will not give the correct output. Till here, it will give correct sum of cubes of digits, but here the problem is the n value we are just every time we are storing a coefficient. Okay, so the original 153 will be changed. So this program will not be will not give the proper output. So what I'm doing is just to check my number is Armstrong or not, I'm taking one temporary variable, storing my original number. Now instead of n, just I'll keep here temp. Now this program will work. 153, it's an Armstrong number. Let's try 154. If I say 154, it's not Armstrong number. What is the other two more numbers I told, right? 370. Yes, it's Armstrong number. 371 also Armstrong number. Right? Let's try 378, some number, random number. Not Armstrong. Fine. This is the program to check whether given number is an Armstrong number or not. Thanks for watching this video.